campus in Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Grenby County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeast Illinois, western Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 11:30 a.m. At 10:24 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Malditas Arena and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near DeKalb, Serena, and Waterman around 10:30 a.m. Cortland, Somonauk, Sheridan, and Hinckley around 10:35 a.m. Maple Park, Little Rock, Sandwich, and Newark around 10:40 a.m. Plano around 10:45 a.m. Other locations affected: Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 106. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, heavy lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.